got a Louis looking like a Virgin discount. If it ain't 100, it's a miss.
If you think your alternator is bad or your battery is bad, all you need to do is get a multimeter. There's a multimeter right here, on and off. You can get these from Harbor Freight for like $6-7. I got mine from Menards for $7-8. Put the DCV on 20. Put the positive in the middle. There's 3 circles right here. Put the negative on the bottom, on the COM, and then put the positive right in the middle. And then it already comes with a battery, so you just turn it on. It sets itself to 0. And this is what you need to do to test your battery. So you would take the positive to the positive, the negative to the negative, obviously. And then you would check it. Mine right now is at 12.8. So that's a really good battery. And it's holding steady. It's dropping a little bit. But as long as you don't go past 12.6, 12.6 is 12.6 volts is 100% charged battery. So if you test your battery and it's not at 12.6, it's not 100% charged. It'll crank a car at 12.2, but at 12.2 it's only 75% charged. Anything below 12, it might not even start. So those numbers, that's definitely a fully charged battery. So now you know your battery is good. Now, if you were to do that, if you just charged the battery and you were to do that, and when you connect these 2 terminals, positive and negative, if you do that reading on your battery with it connected to the battery and it reads not 12.6, it's your battery terminals that you got to replace. So that, and then if you cut this car on, this car should read. Hold on, let me cut it on. Hold on, let me crank it right quick. With the car on, it should be over 12. It should be 13 or 14. No, hold on, let me hit the gas right quick. There you go. That's how you know if your alternator is good or your battery is bad. 14 is a high voltage. That's how you know your alternator is working. Because the battery itself is only supposed to be at 12.6. Now we got 14.8. So your alternator, you know your alternator is good. You know your battery is good. And all you needed was a $10 tool to do it. That's it.